Now let us see how to rename our file or remove our file. So for this we need a module called import OS. So after importing the OS we can call the method rename and pass the arguments. So always remember that if the file is stored in the Python 34 folder, you can give directly like a.txt. But if it is somewhere else in your system, you should have to give the path. So our file, see here, I will show you in the text, is inside the text, and we will be changing the name of this B file first. So for that, let us open this and now give the path C slash, what is the path, text slash, which file we want to change, this, and comma, we will give one more thing, C slash text, and our name should be, let us say, bbb.txt, and now press enter. I think we have successfully renamed our file. Let us look into the file. See here, we have changed the name of the file using the module OS. And now let us remove the entire file. So for that we should have to again, there is a function called remove, and now again give the path which file you want to remove, class bbb.txt, and if you press enter now the file would be, there is a spell error here which is remove. Now press enter. So now let us see whether the file exists there or not. See here, the file is successfully removed from our system. See here, the file is removed. So this is how we use the module OS to rename or remove our file. There are some other methods available which we can find it by waiting for 2 seconds and see. We can append binary, and these are all the functions which are available. There are plenty of functions available. We can open stat and we can write using this OS. So hope you understood how to rename or remove the file from our system using the Python. Keep practicing. Meet you in the next video.